Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and today I have 3 brand new silver coins to share with you today. These are really cool coins, and I have not had them on the channel before, but I wanted to bring them here now and share them with you. I hope you stick with me because these are really cool, and we won't take too much of your time up to look at them. Now, really quick before we get into this, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you click that bell for future notifications so you don't miss any of the future videos. All right, guys, let's go ahead and switch over to the coin facts screen. We're going to take a look at our first one. This is the 1 ounce 2015 Sioux Buffalo Silver Round. Actually, it's kind of a silver coin / it's kind of a silver round. You see, this thing here is not actually legal tender face value in the United States, even though it does have a face value. It was issued by a sovereign nation officially recognized in the United States, the Sioux, but because it's not, issued by the actual United States government, it does not actually have a legal tender face value in the U.S. As you can see, however, guys, it does say $1, 99 silver, 1 ounce 2015. You have the Sioux up at the top, sovereign nation. You have the Indian with his headdress right there, and of course on the reverse you have the Sioux Buffalo. Very cool. Again, 99 fine silver, but also not legal tender. Either way, guys, a really cool 1 ounce silver coin that I thought you guys would like to see, and I'm happy I was able to share it with you. Okay, guys, now next up, this is really cool. This is a 2013 Great Britannia. Now, the Britannias are very beautiful 1 ounce silver coins issued by Great Britain. They are legal tender over there as well, making them an official silver coin. As you can see, guys, it is 1 ounce of 99 fine silver, but the really cool thing about this is that it is the Snake Privy. So if you take a look at the rim, and I got a blown up image over there on the right side of the screen, take a look at that, guys. It does have the snakes on the edge. So instead of having the reeded edge like a lot of your 1 ounce silver Britannias do, instead it does have the year of the snake. So that is really cool. The Great Britannia actually has had other year of the snakes. Other year lunar years. We've had other ones on the channel before, like the year of the horse, but we've never had the year of the snake on the channel. So I wanted to share that with you. It is issued by the Royal British Mint. Again, 1 ounce of 99 fine silver, and very beautiful. I hope that you enjoyed viewing it. Okay, guys, and for our final 1 ounce silver coin, take a look at this. This is from the future, kind of. It's actually a 2021 Australian 1 ounce silver great white shark. And guys, the design on this 1 ounce silver coin is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this coin right here is minted by the Australian Mint. It is a 2021 with a $1 face value, and it is officially recognized as legal tender in Australia, making this officially a coin. But again, guys, this shark is beautiful. Now, these are sold in the capsule. I went ahead and removed the capsule just so you could see it in the camera really close and with all of its glory without being glared out by the lights. But they do come in capsules, and guys, these are limited to a very low mintage of only 25,000 coins. So there will only ever be 25,000 of these in existence. Compare that to the over 7 billion people in the world, and owning one of these, guys, makes you in the 1%, if you will. I mean, at least of owning great white sharks. I mean, obviously I'm joking, but you get the point. These are really cool. All right, guys, well, that is the Great White Shark 2021 Australia, and I do hope you enjoyed viewing it. Okay, guys, so there are the 3 1 ounce silver coins that we had to share with you today. I hope that you enjoyed viewing them. Like I said earlier in the video, do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my future notifications and videos. All right, guys, we will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members that are scrolling on the right hand of the screen right now, including tonight's featured Palladium member. Thank you so very much for your support. Guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.